Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with power and permission. Make sure the case and buds have charge and your iPhone's Bluetooth is on. Open the case beside your phone and accept the pairing pop-up to bind them quickly. Once connected, enable automatic ear detection so audio switches when you insert or remove an earbud. This saves battery and avoids missed audio. If prompted, follow the on-screen steps to set up iCloud Sync. This lets other Apple devices use them automatically. Move on when the status says connected. Now refine fit and controls so performance matches expectations. Run the ear tip fit test to confirm seal and swap sizes for tighter bass and better noise cancellation. Learn the stem's force sensor. Single press for play/pause, double for next, triple for previous, long press to switch noise modes. Practice to make it instinctive. Then enable spatial audio and personalize headphone accommodations in settings. This improves immersion and clarity depending on ear shape and hearing. Make adjustments until music and calls sound. Wrap up by picking noise mode and charging habits so the buds stay reliable. Toggle active noise cancellation or transparency from Control Center or by holding the stem. Transparency keeps environmental awareness for safety. Charge with MagSafe or Lightning and avoid extreme temperatures to preserve battery health. If something goes wrong, say they won't pair, reset the AirPods by placing them in the case, holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, and repair from your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.